hub for the latest camera news, photography gear reviews, and in-depth breakdowns of upcoming technology. Today, we're diving into what could become one of the most talked about APS-C cameras of 2025, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. This highly anticipated release is shaping up to be a remarkable upgrade in Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup, bringing together speed, performance, and cutting-edge video features in a compact and durable body. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, YouTuber, or hybrid creator who juggles both photography and filmmaking, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to check all the boxes. In this detailed analysis, I'll walk you through everything we know so far, covering design, build quality, sensor technology, autofocus, video features, image stabilization, connectivity, and overall usability. So let's break it down step by step. Design and build quality. Refinement meets functionality. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to maintain the compact, rugged build of its predecessor, but with some meaningful refinements. The body is rumored to feature a redesigned ET grip, now deeper and more ergonomic, making it comfortable for long hours of handheld shooting. This small change could be a huge win for professionals, especially those who spend hours in the field shooting wildlife, sports, or travel content. Canon is also enhancing the weather sealing, making the R7 Mark II more resistant to dust and moisture. This pushes it closer to Canon's higher-end models like the EOS R5 and EOS R6 Mark II, ensuring reliability in harsh environments. Other possible design upgrades include more tactile joystick and upgraded control dials for precision handling. A potential top LCD panel, giving quick access to settings like ISO, aperture, and shutter speed, similar to Canon's Pro DSLR designs. Better button customization for faster workflow management. All these changes indicate that Canon is carefully refining the design to cater to enthusiasts and professionals alike. New sensor technology, higher resolution, better dynamic range. Rumors suggest the Canon EOS R7 Mark II will feature a brand new APS-C BSI sensor with a resolution between 32-35 megapixels, a slight but meaningful upgrade over the original R7's 32.5 megap. The backside illuminated design will improve light gathering efficiency, meaning better low-light performance, reduced noise, and wider dynamic range. Paired with the powerful DIGIC X processor, users can expect faster readout speeds to reduce rolling shutter, cleaner high ISO. Performance, ideal for night photography and events. Richer tonal reproduction and better highlight retention in tricky lighting. This makes the R7 Mark II an excellent choice for content creators, especially those working in challenging light conditions. Autofocus. Borrowing pro-level tech, one of the most exciting upgrades is in the autofocus department. Canon will reportedly include dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with advanced tracking algorithms inspired by the flagship EOS R3 and R5 Mark II. That means eye, face, animal, and vehicle detection that works in real time. Improved subject tracking even in low contrast or fast-action environments. Expanded autofocus zones across the frame, giving photographers more flexibility. Potential AI-assisted scene recognition, automatically adjusting focus priorities depending on context. This upgrade will make the R7 Mark II a game-changing APS-C camera for wildlife and sports photographers who demand fast and accurate focus. Video capabilities, a true hybrid creators. Canon knows that modern creators need professional-grade video performance in smaller, affordable packages. The R7 Mark II is expected to raise the bar with 6K 60p internal recording, using the full sensor readout. Other rumored features include K120 FPS for slow-motion enthusiasts, 10-bit 4.2.2 color depth, and Canon Log 3, perfect for color grading in post-production. Improved heat management, allowing longer continuous recording without overheating. Dual UHS 2 card slots for safe recording redundancy. Enhanced audio preamps and better waveform monitoring for content creators. This makes it not just a stills powerhouse, but also one of the best mirrorless cameras for YouTubers, vloggers, and filmmakers in 2025. Stabilization. Smooth, handheld shooting. The in-body image stabilization system will see improvements, possibly offering up to 8 stops of compensation when paired with Canon RF lenses. That means handheld shooting will be smoother than ever. Whether you're filming travel vlogs, handheld documentaries, or using telephoto lenses for sports, Canon may also enhance IS coordination, making panning smoother and improving tracking with long lenses. This is crucial for wildlife and sports photographers who often work handheld controls and usability. Smarter. Workflow Canon is known for listening to feedback, and the R7 Mark II is expected to deliver a refined control system, more customizable. Buttons. An upgraded quick control dial for instant setting adjustments. A brighter, more responsive, fully articulating touchscreen for vlogging, self-recording, and difficult angles. A simplified but professional menu system, drawing inspiration from Canon's Cinema EOS C70. Possible additions like a digital teleconverter mode or pixel shift high-resolution capture could also extend the flexibility of the APS-C format, making it a versatile tool for both photography and video connectivity. Faster, smarter sharing in 2025. Fast connectivity is non-negotiable. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for speedy transfers, USB-C 3.2 for quick tethering and charging, improved Canon Camera Connect app integration with live view remote shooting, dual SD UHS 2 card slots for secure backup and workflow flexibility. This makes the R7 Mark II not just a field camera, but also a studio-ready workhorse for tethered shooting, live streaming, or remote content creation. Who is the Canon EOS R7 Mark II? 4. This camera is shaping up to be a multi-purpose APS-C mirrorless beast. Depending on your needs, here's who will benefit most. Wildlife and sports photographers. Fast AF, long battery life, compact design, and IBIS. Content creators and YouTubers. 6K video, slow motion, color grading flexibility, and better audio controls. Travel photographers. Lightweight but powerful, with excellent weather sealing. Hybrid shooters. Professional video plus professional photography in one compact camera. Essentially, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II offers R5 level performance in a smaller APS-C body, making it an affordable, yet professional option. Conclusion. A 2025 APS-C powerhouse. If the leaks and rumors prove accurate, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II will be one of the best APS-C cameras of 2025, blending professional-level performance with portability. With a higher resolution BSI sensor, advanced autofocus, stronger video specs, and improved stabilization, this camera looks ready to dominate both photography and videography spaces. For wildlife shooters, it could be a compact alternative to the R5 or R3. For YouTubers and filmmakers, it brings 6K power and pro video tools to a smaller form factor. And for everyday creators, it offers a balance of usability, durability, and image quality that is tough to beat. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II isn't just an upgrade, it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the mirrorless market for 2025.